Welcome back to Tech
How
It's Simple.
can you hide your
In this
city
video,
in Yubo?
I'm going to show you how you
without
can
any
hide your
further
city in
ado,
Yubo.
Let's dive right into
So,
this
without
exciting
any
video.
further delay, let's
Step
dive right
1.
into this exciting
Open
video.
your Yubo application.
Step 1.
Firstly,
Open your
you
Yubo
have to
application.
open your Yubo application.
Firstly,
And
you have
after
to open your
opening
Yubo
the
application.
Go to your profile
After opening
by
the
clicking to
application,
this
go to your
profile
profile
icon
by
into the
clicking
top
on this
right
profile
corner.
icon in the top right corner. Step 2. Go to the settings. Now, after coming to your profile, you just simply have to go to your settings by clicking on this gear icon in the top right corner.
And after
going to settings, you can see this safety and privacy setting here. You just simply have to tap into that. Step 3. Hide the city and location. Now, after coming to safety and privacy, just simply click on this location button here. There you can see this Hide My City option.
And there
you just simply have to enable the Hide My City option.
You just simply have
After doing this, your city will be hidden from your Yubo profile.
Option.
I hope
And
this
after
video was
doing
helpful
this,
for you.
Your city will be hidden
If yes,
from your
don't
Yubo
forget to
profile.
like, share,
this
and
video was
subscribe to the
helpful
channel
for
to
you.
never
If
miss
yes,
another update.
Don't forget to like, share.